morning, people. It's another day to vlog. Charis. We are on our way to Warner Brothers Studios for the Harry Potter here in Tokyo. Medyo kakabukas lang niya lately and it's quite new. Pero we wanna check it out. As a Harry Potter fan, sobrang excited ako dito.
Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Since the Harry Potter activity will take an average of 2 to 3 hours and our schedule is like 11 o'clock. Make sure to eat first kasi mahaba yung activity doon and magtatagal talaga kayo doon ng super. So walang malapit na kainan. So yeah. In Starbucks, may Notor Cafe. So to make sure to grab quick bite or make sure to eat before you go here kasi susulitin mo talaga yung time. It's sabi sa mga napanood namin na 2 to 3 hours daw.
Gryffindor!
So yeah, sobrang lamig! Ang lamig! Naka 3 layers na kami ng damit. Super lamig pa din. Hindi talaga gagaling ang ubot sipon dito. Or hindi lang ako sanay sa weather dito. But overall, it was a good one. Masarap sa feeling in lamig. Na siya. It's actually 2 to 5 minutes. 2 to 5 minutes. Actually, 5 minutes walk from the train station kung saan kami bumaba. And from our hotel, mga 49 minutes lang. Ayan na siya. Nangangatog na ako sa lamig. Oh, the snake!
50 points for catching the swing.
Gryffindor wins!
Welcome to the night bus. Emergency transport for the stranded. Which sport was it?
Konnichiwa. こちらはプリベット通り4番地ターズビー池の内でございます。入り口の近くからリビング、ダイニング、キッチンと並んでおります。こちらが部屋一番奥にございます。
Super funny. Super funny nun. Yung naglobo.
Yun ba yung tita niya? Tito? Wala.
Yung tita niya.
Tito niya yung naglobo?
Tita.
Tita niya.
Si Dobby yung may kasalanan. Dobby must be vanished. Wow! Yum! Ang sarap! Yum! Sorry. Picture. So that's it. That's the end of our tour inside. Sobra kami nag-enjoy.
Halos, ano tayo, 2 and a half, 3 and, alas 2 na eh. 10:30 tayo dumating eh, so 3.5 hours.
Inabot kami ng
3 hours.
3 hours. Almost 3 hours inside. Nag-explore, basa ng trivia, watch clips,
4 hours pa pala eh.
videos. Bubo! Ang cute! Daanan natin si Hachiko. Mag-hi tayo sa kanya. Kaso madaming nakapila kay Hachiko. Ayan si Hachiko. Maraming nakapila sa kanya. Hachi box. Nandiyan si Hachiko sa tapat. Ngayon, magko-cross tayo dun sa famous Shibuya Crossing.
Shibuya Scramble.
Let me show you around. Pero kasi hindi pa natin alam kung saan tayo magko-cross.
Dito yung dating Starbucks.
Ayan yung dating Starbucks na wala na ngayon. May ABC Mart, Grand